Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 with network diagnostics. To start, you must right-click on the network icon on the taskbar. Select Diagnose Network Problems. In the displayed wizard, it's possible to see the status of the network as well as a series of options available to fix this error. Chapter 2. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 resetting the network. To start, click Start and open Settings. After on Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings. After this, click on Network Reset and click on Reset Now. Confirm this action. Now close the pop-up window and reboot the system to reset the network. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 deactivating airplane mode. To begin, press Start and click on Settings. Here in the Network and Internet section, turn off the airplane mode switch. Chapter 4. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 reactivating adapter. To start, in the search box enter Network. Select View Network Connections. Here, right-click on the network adapter and select Disable. After, right-click again and this time click on Enable. Wait for it to enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Chapter 5. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 updating driver. To start, right-click on Start and click on Device Manager. Here on Network Adapters, right-click on the driver and select Update Driver. After this, click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update ending. Chapter 6. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 reinstalling driver. To start, right-click Start and select Device Manager. After, in Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver and choose Uninstall Device. Click on Uninstall to complete this operation. After this, go to Action menu and click on Scan for hardware changes. Wait for the driver to be reinstalled again on system. Chapter 7. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 with terminal. To start, right-click on Start and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes. Here, reset WinSock, execute netch WinSock reset. After, restore the global catalog. Run the command netch WinSock reset catalog. After, reset the general values with the command on the screen. Latest, clear the cache DNS. Run ipconfig/flushdens. For apply this changes, restart the system. Chapter 8. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 from services. To start, in the search box, enter Services, open Services. Here, double-click on WLAN AutoConfig service. Confirm that it is in automatic mode and the service is active. Click on OK. After, double-click on WLAN AutoConfig service. In the Startup Type field, set Automatic, and after click Start, click on Apply and OK. Next, select the service called Wi-Fi Direct Services Connection Manager service. Click on the Start line and wait for it to start this service. Chapter 9. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 configuring DNS. To start, enter Network in the search box. Select View Network Connections. After, right-click on the adapter and choose Properties. In this section, select the Internet Protocol version 4 line. Click on Properties. After this, check the box. Use the following DNS server addresses and enter a public IP. Apply the changes and close all windows. Chapter 10. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 downloading drivers. For this method, you can go to the adapter manufacturer's website of your Wi-Fi driver and download the most recent versions to install. Chapter 11. How to fix error laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi Windows 11 with Internet options. To start, enter Internet in the search box. Click on Internet options. After this, in the Connections tab, click on LAN settings and check that the box Use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Exit. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.